Hi everyone, this is E.M.P, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes. So I just wanted to do a quick review of the large earthquakes we've had in the last week or so. Starting here on June the 17th, you can see we've had some extreme charging. White area is ionospheric charging right off the scale. Red and blue is very high charge. And then jumping to 18th, you can see black is also extreme charging right off the scale. So right over the the exact same area, so a cumulative charging going on there, and I specifically warned for South America and Guatemala, where we had another magnitude 6.8 on the 22nd. And then jumping to the 19th, you can see some more significant charging close to the area. And so 12:31 Universal Time, we had the earthquake. Oh, one quick thing here also. When you were seeing those significant charges in the ionosphere, it was due to the gamma rays, huge spikes going on here since the 15th, and then on the 17th again, and then on the 18th we see a break in data, which is showing that the neutron monitors probably got overloaded. So when we're seeing huge spikes like this and data breaks is when we really got to start paying attention, and it's exactly why we're seeing the larger earthquakes. And if you look at the Electrojet index, which is showing solar induction, you can see that we did have some barely breaking moderate induction there at the beginning of the day, but at the time of the earthquake just after 12, flatline, so it's definitely a gamma or dielectric discharge induced quake. So significant spike there at 9:22 Universal Time, and then at San Juan's magnetometer, so that's just showing the magnetic disruption measured at ground level, and you can see just after 9:22. Huge magnetic disruption there, and then just after that we had the earthquake. And then second earthquake I wanted to show you was magnitude 6 at Kinetic Islands, and here on the 28th you can see some significant ionospheric charging there near the region. So 7:03 Universal Time is when we had the earthquake on the 29th. Then jumping to the gamma rays for the 29th, you can see a significant spike there just after 0600. And jumping to the 29th on the Electrojet index, you can see a significant induction just after 0600, and then we had gamma rays or dielectric discharge kick in there, and here we can see at Samoa's magnetometer, big spike there just before the earthquake, and a data break there. So whenever we're seeing these data breaks and big spikes close together, it's definitely indicating we're having massive magnetic disruptions that their equipment is having trouble even record it. So it's really got to start watching. So channel's all about EMPs, and we're just seeing massive ones here. So yeah, just when we had that data break and the big spike there, started spiking there. So this is already pretty intense what we're seeing right here with the gamma rays, but then when it really starts spiking and the magnetometer just starts going off, and it doesn't take much. Like this isn't even going into geomagnetic storm conditions. You know, we don't even to start worrying about that until at 1,000 nanoteslas. So that's why I keep pointing out it's the gamma rays that are the dominant force, and that's exactly what we're seeing here in action. So pretty interesting. And take a look at this earthquake here as well. Magnitude 6 off the coast of Ecuador on 30th, that's 22:29 Universal Time. And here you can see I had to dig through the archives to find some significant ionosphere charging. This was on the 28th, and you can definitely see right over Ecuador there. So looking at the gamma rays on the 30th, you can see the significant spiker discharge there at 22:17 Universal Time. And then here is Tucson's magnetometer. You can see just after that gamma ray spike, huge magnetic disruption here on the magnetometer, and boom, right after that, we had the earthquake.